season, and we're celebrating by having mooncakes.
This is mung bean mooncakes, and this is assorted nuts mooncake.
This is lotus seed mooncake with double egg yolk in it.
And this is durian mung bean mooncake and coconut mung bean mooncake.
We also have soy milk with grass jelly.
Let's eat! I'm going to have the durian mooncake.
I'm having a lotus.
I'm gonna have the mung bean cake.
Ooh, the egg.
The mung bean cake tastes nice, sweet, and soft, and the eggs taste a bit dry.
I agree with Tavina that the mung bean, it's really sweet, and the egg is pretty dry, but I do not like the smell at all. Durian, it's stinky, and it smells exactly like it, so, I don't like it.
The egg, it kind of reminds me of hard-boiled egg yolk.
Now I'm going to try the mung bean cake.
Now I'm gonna try the assorted nuts mooncake. The assorted nuts mooncake has sesame seeds, some nuts, and you can see the pork. And it has the egg.
I love the mung bean mooncake. The paste is like really sticky, and it's super duper sweet. Now I'm going to have the coconut mooncake. These white stuff in there, it's the coconut flakes.
The assorted nuts cake has lots of textures in there. The nuts make it very crunchy, and the pork. The egg doesn't have a lot of flavor as much as those nuts. They bring a lot of flavor to it, so I really like it.
The coconut mooncake, the paste is sweet, and the coconut, it's pretty chunky, but it's pretty sweet also, so it just makes it more sweet, and it's pretty good.
I don't like the jelly, but I like the soy milk.
My favorite is probably the mung bean mooncake because it's the sweetest.
My favorite is the mung bean cake is because that the paste, like Vivian said, is very soft and sweet. And the nuts, it's good, but it's not too sweet.
The soy milk, it's a little bit sweet, and it's pretty good.
I like it too.
Jellies. The jelly, it doesn't really taste like anything. It's soft. It's not sweet or anything, but I like it still.
I want to try the mung bean. My favorite is the lotus seed, is because the cake is squishy and the yolk. It reminds me of boiled eggs. This one's the same thing, but it's not as sweet as the lotus seed cake.
I'm gonna try the lotus seed that Victoria tried.
Mm.
Looks interesting. I like the art on top.
It is pretty.
Yeah, because it has a flower.
Guys, we love mooncakes, but we don't really recommend to eat a large portion of it.
It's because mooncakes, it's really heavy on your stomach. And it has a lot of calories.
And it's hard to digest.
So we would recommend eating half of it as the max.
And that's why we only eat it once a year. One
Yeah.
time a year. If you haven't had mooncakes before, go try it and buy it for yourself. It tastes super good, but don't eat a huge portion of it.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Also, don't forget to subscribe down below for more tasty videos.
Have a happy Mid-Autumn Festival.
Bye!